Crocs hatch out by dawn rise. Snap, snap, snap. 10 baby crocodiles in their eggs, each with tails and jaws and legs. The first little egg went crack, 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 and cute little crocodile jaws went snap. She was a girl. 9 baby crocodiles in their eggs wiggled their tails and kicked their legs. The second and the third little eggs went crack, and crocodile twins hatched out snap, snap. They were both boys. 7 baby crocodiles in their eggs, with little green feet and little green legs. 3 more eggs went crack, crack, crack. Triplets this time, snap, snap, snap. All boys again. 4 baby crocodiles in their eggs, with scaly skin and fidgety legs. 4 eggs hatch. Crack, 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 crack. Here are the quads. Snap, 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 snap. All girls this time. 10 baby crocodiles on their legs hatch out safely from their eggs. 5 boys, 5 girls in one long line swim off to see what they can find.